Hi there, this is a help video on how to use the login as feature for admins and subadmins. Before jumping into how to use the feature, one thing to note is that if you're in a main admin account, you will always be able to log in as teachers and students. If you're in a subadmin account, this is a permission that has to be given. So if you go to these pages and you're not seeing the option to log in as, you need to contact either the Edcite team using feedback to let them know you need the permission to log in as, or you can contact your site administrator, and if they have access to the main admin account, they'll be able to set you up using user management with the permission to log in as. So let's look at how this works. First, I'll show how to log in as a teacher. So you can go to Rosters, District Teachers page. Your district teachers will show here. You can click on a teacher's name and a popover will appear with their information. You will see a green login as button. If you click on this and click OK, you will be brought to that teacher's homepage. You can always go back to your admin account by clicking the Back to Admin Account orange button in the upper right. So the same ability can be given for students. So if you go to district students, you can click on a student's name. Again, you'll see the popover. You can click login as, click OK, and you'll be brought to the student homepage. Again, to return to the admin account, you can click back to admin. So I hope this is a helpful video for how to log in as an admin to district teachers or district students. Again, if you need that permission, you can either contact the Edcite team or your site administrator. Thanks. Have a good day.